Hey guys, we're here for another unboxing in the car. This time my makeup isn't expired. I am here at work. I'm a little early, and so I decided to film my Fabfitfun unboxing. I even curled my hair for you guys, which is not perfect, but there's only so much that my Wonder Woman powers can do. So today is a collaboration video. I'm so excited. I met a new friend here on YouTube. Her name is Soraya, and I met her because we have so many things in common. I think I met her on my comments page and we immediately clicked. I looked up her profile and we realized that we were both working in education. It was nice to have that in common with her, and at the same time we both love makeup and skincare and Korean skincare. So I've watched her videos so many times and I thought, you know what, why don't we do a collab on our Fabfitfun videos? Her and I don't have a lot of boxes. She told me that she only is subscribed to like 2 subscription boxes, and I'm the same way, and one of them was Fabfitfun. So this is a collaboration video. We're gonna show off what we got in our box, and then I would love it if you guys could comment down below which box you prefer, Soraya's or mine. Her and I are actually gonna pick 2 winners, one from her comments and one from mine, and we're both gonna send that person a giveaway prize. So just a small token of appreciation for commenting on our channels. This giveaway is definitely for my subscribers, my loyal subscribers, so I appreciate you all. All the rules are going to be in the description box below, so definitely check it out and stay tuned at the end of this video because I will let you know what you could win in this giveaway. So yeah, let's get started. This is Fabfitfun's summer box. I'll put a picture of the box here because it's a little cramped here in my car. But the summer box, I'm so excited for it. You know, initially when we were looking at the customizations, they weren't that exciting, but for some reason, when your box arrives, it's just like, oh my gosh, the box is here, and you get super duper excited. So let me tell you what I got. I've got some Step Into the Sun card in case you guys want to join Fabfitfun. There's that $15 off discount code. I've got some fun stickers, which is so cool. And then HelloFresh is always present in Fabfitfun. There's that beautiful magazine. Oh my gosh, look at that. It has a pool theme, and this time there isn't any celebrity on the cover page, which we normally have. Anyways, we'll use this as a guide. So for customization 1, there was 2, 4, 6, 7. There's 7 choices, and I ended up picking the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and it looks like this, and it's so pretty. This PMD cleansing device, I feel like is a competition for like the Foreo device. I have a Foreo cleansing device, and I've always been meaning to compare this PMD with my Foreo, and plus my Foreo is getting old, and so I'm excited to get a new cleanser, so I'm glad I got that. And then customization 2, there's 2, 4, 6, 8. So there's about 8 choices. Basically, some are throwbacks like the Tarte H2O moisturizer, and I ended up picking the Way Detox shampoo. I think I've used like a leave-in conditioner from Way, and it's amazing. I'm surprised this bottle is so cool, like gold and shimmery, but it's a detox shampoo, and it's for all hair types. It's a bundle, so it comes with the scalp massager. And honestly, when I chose this product, I wanted to put this in a giveaway because I have so many detox shampoos, and I was just in it for the scalp massager. But when I saw this packaging, oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna keep it. Let's look at the scalp massager. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. looks like this, and you just scrub your scalp, and it's amazing. Oh, it feels very silicone-y. I've only owned the 99-cent version one, and although it's actually great, this one I think is gonna feel better on the scalp, so I'm excited for that. Customization 3 is a no-brainer. You have the Corksicle wine tumbler, super goop, living proof, AG hair, poolside pouch, build your own bracelet, Malin and Goetz, and the Nectar blue light blocking glasses. So I ended up picking the Super Goop sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen of all time. It's SPF. It's perfect under makeup. It doesn't break me out. It looks like this. I was kind of hoping for it to be a little bit bigger. I think there's a bigger full-size version of this. This is probably the in-between one. It's not exactly travel size, but but I love it. It's SPF 40. It goes on clear. I mean clear as heck. No white cast, and it's gonna be good for any skin tone. It is 4 hours later. I'm done with work. I kind of refreshed my makeup for you guys. What is it about opening a FabFitFun box? Like, I need to be all dolled up for FabFitFun. Something about it. It's an extra special box, right? Okay, so where did we left off? I didn't really like anything from Customization 4, so I'm kind of forced to get the Ciate London one. Although I love Ciate London as a brand, but I wish that it wasn't a hydrating setting spray like this. Look at that. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Packaging wise, I mean, come on. I might put this in a giveaway. I'll let you guys know. I need to read more about this. Depending on how hydrating it is, I may keep it or put it in a giveaway, because you know me, I love setting sprays. I did have a video on ranking my setting sprays, so I've tried a lot. I mean a lot of setting sprays. I have a few recommendations there in that video. You'll definitely find something that you'll like if you are looking for a setting spray. So this one, I would love to add this to my collection, but if it's hydrating and it's gonna make me dewy, I might just pass it on. Customization 5, I no longer get to choose because I am a seasonal member, which means I only get to pick 4 products. Oh, speaking of which, this year or this season has been different because Fabfitfun is now allowing their annual members to choose all 8 items in the box, which is amazing because that means there are no surprises for you. You get what you want, you get what you picked. For seasonal members, it went up by 1. So you used to pick 3 items, now you get to pick 4. Customization 5, however, I didn't get to choose. So Fabfitfun picked it for me. And I got the Soar clip-on selfie ring light. So that's what it looks like right there. When I saw this option, I was hoping not to get it in my box, really, because I wanted to try Mented Cosmetics, their liquid lipsticks, or I wanted to just get a Dr. Brandt purifying cleanser. Like, I would be happy to get those. Well, I saw Jessica from Everything Proof. I saw her unboxing of this selfie ring light, and it was a pretty good quality ring light, and here it is right there. Let's see if I can open it for you and we can try it out a little bit here in the car. You would clip it on your phone or maybe on your laptop. Oh, there it is. Oh, so let me show you the different settings. So we got off, that's the first one. It's brighter and brighter. I think I'm definitely going to get a good use out of this, so I'm excited for that. Although if your phone has a case, it can't clip on wide enough onto your case. You might need to remove your case before you use this on your phone, so that's the only downside. Okay, customization 6 is now different, 6 through 8. You used to get about 8 full-size items from Fabfitfun depending on the price, but now they bundled up 6 through 8. Let's say a bundle would consist of like a shadow stick, a pedicure file, and a makeup swab. Or get a Murad collagen, you'll get only 1 item, so you would only get 6 items in your box. But that is supposed to equal the 6 through 8 items in the box. So For me, I prefer getting 8 items. I feel like it's more exciting, it's more fun. The bundle that I got is the Seraphine Butter Lip Mask, the Art and Cook Citrus Squeezer, and the Blush Pineapple Tray. Here's the citrus squeezer, which my mom has been looking for a citrus squeezer for a while now. Hers is actually made of metal, but this one looks like really good quality plastic, but it still looks really sturdy. So I don't know if I'll keep it since we already have one in the house. Maybe I'll save it for like a lifestyle giveaway or something like that. We'll see what my mom gets too. So I don't know if you've seen my video on my FabFitFun box versus my mom's box. Definitely check that out. We're totally different people, totally different parts in our lives, and so we have different choices. We truly do. And so it's nice to see what she gets versus what I get. So definitely check that video out. This is so cute. Look at this. A pineapple, like to make your ice cubes, and they're gonna be pineapple shaped, and it's silicone material. Ooh, I like how rubbery it is. Look at that. And it even has the lining on the pineapple, so it's really gonna look cute. Maybe put lemon juice in here so that you can have like lemon water and just throw it in. I was expecting them to be smaller, but they're good sizes. So I still feel like I'm getting like a real full size item. The last item is the lippy. Oh, it's Fruit Butter Lip Mask by Seraphine. I like the packaging. Not bad. It looks very minimalistic. Vegan and cruelty-free lip balm. I never get tired of getting lip balms actually, but would I consider this a full-size item from FabFitFun? Maybe not. Overall though, I'm super excited with my box. Now I want to quickly show you my add-ons. It's not much. I did purchase the nightgown. This is my add-on for customization too. Everyone who had FabFitFun, who I knew had FabFitFun, were wondering why there was a bauble bar build your own bracelet kit. They felt like they were for kids, and that's exactly what I feel like as well, and that's why I ended up buying it for my daughters, because maybe she can make her own bracelet. So here it is right here. And we'll see. I think we are definitely gonna make our own bracelets together. It looks kind of fun. Basically, it's a bunch of beads. Like, it has a bunch of beads in there. So that's what it looks like. I'm a little underwhelmed about the material actually, where you're going to put the beads around. I mean, what is this? Like, I don't know about the quality of this. Bubble bar is like fashion jewelry. They have really nice styles, but it seems like I can only make like young kid type of style. So I got this for my daughter as an add-on. Also stocked up on Spongelle Eucalyptus Beyond Cleansing Sponge. And there's 3 in this pack. I got Eucalyptus Rain, Honey Blossom, and Papaya Yuzu. So I've decided to put one of those Spongelles into my giveaway in this video, this mini small giveaway. I haven't completely decided what the giveaway items are, but I will mention it at the end of this video. So it's 3 in 1 pack. They are individually wrapped. So, oh, okay, I'm gonna tell you now, I'm gonna keep the Papaya Yuzu. The eucalyptus one is just as good. Like, it's very relaxing. Let me know what you guys would prefer. This one is the Honey Blossom. Oh, definitely the sweet side. So there's 3 in this box, which is amazing. And then this one, I have someone I'm gonna gift this to. I love these Spongelles as gifts, like just mini small gift, but it's so useful. Like, who doesn't want a bath sponge? I also wanted to try the Spongelle Salted Rose Mani Pedi Treatment Set. Comment down below if you have tried this before. I haven't. I'm really not sure how to use it, but look at that. Oh, it smells so good. The texture, the feeling of it, This feels really loaded with like products though, like the soap. Like it feels like a bar of soap pretty much with a little bit of sponge. So I got that. You know, add-on sales at Fabfitfun are so good. Like you can get them for a fraction of the price. I think I got this set of 3 Spongelles for like $12, when in reality one of these is really $18, and I got 3 in a box. So it's such a steal. Okay, so what do you guys think? What do you guys think of my box? Did you love it? Give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. Don't give me a thumbs down, please. Now here's what you need to do. So I promised you a giveaway, a mini giveaway. Go to Soraya's channel, watch her Fabfitfun video. You're gonna come back to this video, comment on this video which box is your favorite, and tell us why. There's gonna be 2 chances to win. So I'm gonna pick a winner from my channel, and Soraya's gonna pick another winner from hers. So there's 2 winners here. So yeah, so just as a thank you for commenting and participating in the voting, this is just kind of like a fun battle of the boxes between Soraya and I. I'm so glad to have met you. Thank you, Soraya, for collabing with me. I know we both have busy schedules, but I'm so glad she waited for my box, because she actually has a annual box, so she gets her box way early than mine. So check the rules of this giveaway. I will have the picture of the item that I'm giving away here. So if you are interested, if you like that, comment down below which box you like, and you will be entered in a drawing. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out, join the family. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to check Soraya's Fabfitfun box. If you are new, coming from Soraya's channel, hey, hit that subscribe button. There's always something to learn here on my channel, and I hope to see you back in my corner soon. Bye, guys.